This is a typical JPA entity, an order with business fields and PII, customer name, email, SSN, credit card number, all mixed in. If we expose this to an AI agent, all that sensitive data leaks. AI Atlas fixes this at compile time. 2 annotations are all you need. Echogenic entity on the entity, agentic field on each field you want to expose. Everything else is structurally excluded. It can't appear in the generated code. Mark your service with Agentic exposed, and the processor generates everything. A Java record with only the safe fields. No customer name, no SSN, no credit card. The from entity, factory maps from the full entity. Fields marked removed in version, current 2 like legacy notes are excluded. New v2 fields like total major units and total minor units are included. An MCP tool class with a tool annotations, ready for AI agent consumption. A Spring REST controller with versioned endpoints under .storage API v2. A versioned OpenAPI 3.0 spec, also PII-free, with only v2 active endpoints. The new v2 endpoint returns safe fields only, including the split price fields introduced in v2. No PII anywhere. The old find by ID is deprecated. The response includes a deprecation, true header, and a link header pointing to migration docs, RFC 9745 compliant. And with version negotiation enabled, sending accept version 1 to a v2 API returns a 400 with a clear error message. Field versioning is declarative. Total amount sense is deprecated in v2 with migration guidance. Total major units is new in v2. Legacy notes is removed in v2. It won't appear in the DTO at all. The processor handles the lifecycle math automatically. AI Atlas also handles entity cross-references. Customer has a list of addresses. Both are agentic entity entities. The processor automatically maps list to list in the generated DTO with cycle detection for bidirectional JPA relationships. With channel filtering, you control which methods go where. This one is API only. It generates a REST endpoint, but no MCP tool. Method-level annotations give you fine-grained control. AI agents connect via MCP over SSE. We can test with MCP Inspector. No installation, just NPX. The tools are auto-registered. The agent gets the same PII-safe version-aware DTOs. The processor also warns you about fields matching PII patterns, SSN, credit card, password, confirming they're excluded. You can customize these patterns with your own config file. The sample SUS directory is a standalone Spring Boot project that uses the published Gradle plugin exactly how an external consumer would adopt AI Atlas. No monorepo paths, no manual compiler arguments, 4 lines of configuration. The agentic block sets the framework version, the API version, and disables MCP. The plugin auto-wires all dependencies and compiler options. The sample has its own entity, product, with field versioning. Price sense is deprecated in v2, replaced by price major and price minor. Legacy SKU is removed in v2, and supplier contact has no .agentic field, so it's excluded from the generated DTO entirely. Build the sample and the processor generates DTOs, REST controllers, and an OpenAPI spec, same as the demo module, but driven entirely by the plugin DSL. The generated product D2 has only the safe version active fields. The REST controller has versioned endpoints under .API's v2 loss, with deprecated methods marked accordingly. AI Atlas. Annotate your entities, build and get PII-safe MCP tools, REST endpoints, and OpenAPI specs, all generated at compile time, with built-in API versioning, deprecation headers, and version negotiation. The standalone sample project shows the full plugin experience in under 30 lines of Gradle config. Check it out on GitHub.